MD. Welcome to Operation Save the TT. Now I'm going to tell you a little story about what happened to the TT in the first place. It started out with some small sounds coming from the gearbox, little tapping, after it had been running for a while and then under load. So I took it to a gearbox specialist, GCS in Nottingham, and he came out for a drive. We went for a drive, but he said, "Hang on, let me drive it, because I can't hear the noise properly." So what did I do? I let him get in the driver's seat, drive it. Started putting the car under load, a lot of load, to try and hear the noise. And bam, car stopped. Just the engine just stopped immediately, as if it had jammed. Now I knew there was a problem, possibly with the DMF, but I wanted it confirming by the gearbox specialist, because obviously they can fix it if need be. So he then took on responsibility, which was good. Oversaw the transport of the car to CAM services, where the car is now. Don't watch what I'm doing here. So the car was there. They said it was a DMF. Took apart the gearbox and got a new DMF. But when he went to put it back on, he said he could feel movement from the crankshaft. Yeah, so I asked him, what could that be? And immediately he said, "Oh, you probably need a new engine, mate." Yes, obviously they was halfway through that job, which would be required anyway if you put a new engine in. But do me a first quote, and I'm just in talks about it at the moment, of a total of £5,000. That's plus an engine, plus giving up my old engine. New clutch, new cam belt, which would be, you'd do that anyway if you're changing an engine. So I obviously was a bit shocked by that and went into talks with him. So that's being negotiated. Meanwhile, I checked out the options, which were either get a reconditioned engine, which is a bare bones, just a sump, a head, and the bottom end, and that's basically how my garage wanted it. So they'd have to put it together, put all the ancillaries on. Now, putting the ancillaries on takes a bit of time, so that upped the bill. So there's that option, or there's the option of the old-fashioned way, I'd call it. Go to the scrapyard, suss an engine yourself, and get it put in. Now I'm going to see how much the garage, where the car is now, I'm going to see how much they want just to put take an engine out, put an engine in. And of course, if that's not agreed by myself, then I'll have to look for an alternative, which I have a few in mind. But we'll start with them. So we're on our way now to collect this engine, to check it out and hopefully collect it in a big van. And that's where we are. So if you want to see more, stay tuned.
BWA is the engine. That's the engine you need. Because with VW and Audis, the only thing you can't compromise with is if it's a different code. Okay. So this is exact 100%. That's why when you phone, I said you need BWA. It's exactly the same with
Certain things are in different places.
no.
That can just go straight in.
He'll go straight in, but he'll have to use his own wiring harness. This is not wiring here anyway.
Yeah, no. I've got the car.
Yeah.
My engine's in there.
Yeah.
But it's shattered.
That's fine.
So I just need
so
one,
he's
one
gonna,
clip.
there will be things like he might have to replace this mount.
Well, that'll probably come off and use.
No,
mine.
that's what I'm saying, because this is for Skoda,
Yeah.
the fittings
Oh,
are,
yeah.
and
Inside
yours
the
are the.
engine.
But yeah, so you take this off and put yours on. That's it.
Yeah. Tell me a little bit about it then. You got the car here?
We don't.
What?
The problem is we have to get so many in and so many out everywhere.
There's more space to work with, that's the problem. But no, good shop, good shopping. I like how you got your
yeah, we try to
up there.
try to make most of it. That's what we do. Yeah.
So, how many miles is it?
That's 674,000. Yeah. So, what was your own car which you have to do all of it?
Yeah, my car. He's making a ticking noise on the gearbox, and it will get heavy under stress. A bit louder, so I just took it to a gearbox specialist. He test drove it.
Was it is yours automatic?
No, manual.
Manual as well, yeah.
It's just manual.
Okay. No, this is from manual,
Yeah.
but you can use the same engine for automatic and manual.
Can you just fly it?
Yeah, you can. It's good with anything.
That goes straight into TT.
Same fine.
Same gearbox.
It's the same gearbox. It's the same.
Okay. Just gamble and really running.
100%. No, you don't need to. You are not gambling on it.
You know, guarantee.
Of course, it comes with guarantee. You can watch with it. With me, it's like, you see that I buy insurance, right?
Yeah.
Everything, especially engines and gearboxes, when we sell them with warranty. Okay. And if I put a staff to take an engine out from a car, which I'm going to sell it to you, and you're going to bring it back, and I'll have to refund
And it's
you.
going to go on.
No, it's not, I'm not bothered by that.
Yeah.
No, do you understand?
Yeah, no,
Because this
you wouldn't
is-
say it.
No,
if
but-
it wasn't.
No, it's not that, because I can't. Because it's not that tomorrow I can take all these things, put them at my house,
Yeah.
and you won't find me.
Yeah.
This is my. I don't understand.
Yeah,
This
true,
is my
true.
business. For the sake of something like that, I can't run away.
No.
So when I give
And
you,
we don't want another journey down the M1.
not just journey,
Yeah.
you'll have to pay somebody a lot of money to
Yeah.
get this fitted.
Yeah.
If, in my opinion, when a car comes, before it gets dismantled, we start it up. If I've got doubts that this engine is not, yeah, because we are mechanics. So if I think that I sell this going to come back, I will not put somebody to take it out for me. Because once I pay somebody
Wasting
2 days,
time.
2 days wages to take an engine out, and I give it to you, and then you bring it back,
Good man.
I'm not lost just the engine
man.
money, I've lost the wages then
Yeah,
as well.
good man.
So that's the only reason.
Let's have a quick look underneath it.
Yeah, you can go around.
Okay. How long have you had it for?
It's been out about 4 to 5 weeks now.
4 5 weeks. Yeah, rain's got to a bit. Yeah.
Unfortunately, we tried to even cover. Can you see the way I keep them though? Like, try to put.
Yeah.
cover them.
Bonnet.
Right. Okay.
Right,
So just for your and my safety, right? It's got my initials on it
Right.
with my own writings. Okay. That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
That's for your warranty purposes.
Right. Yeah.
For example, you said to me the engine's done. Right.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's mine or not. So
Yeah.
because obviously I've written it with my hand.
Yeah, yeah.
After 30
Like a
years,
signature.
I'll still recognize.
Signature.
So that's what we do for warranty purposes.
Right. Yeah. No problem.
So most scrapyards, this is how it works, to be honest.
Okay. So this is what it is. It's the engine. Soon you're going to see the car. It's going to be popped in, running perfectly. I've just got to get it on the tree, on the van. So strapped down so it doesn't fly all over the place. But before that, we've got to negotiate a deal.
Unfortunately, we only, because I sell online, very competitive market, we don't negotiate prices. I sell you what I say it is, and you'll have no problem. When I say it's BW, a lot of people will say, oh, this fits in that one. I don't believe in it.
Yeah.
I believe in it. I'm shoe number size 10. You should wear it number 10. Don't try 9.5 or 10.5. It's gonna cause trouble. So you'll get invoice with it. You'll get your 60 days warranty with it. Okay.
Let's do it then.
Is that the van is going in?
Yeah.
Right. Come inside. Who's the
Yeah, the money man.